Hello friends, my name is Srishti Chandrakar. I am a student of Advanced Spoken English classes Bhilai 3. So guys, today I would like to tell about my pen. So without wasting any time, let's start. I have a pen, it is my pen, it is my favorite pen. It has a cover, it has a cap, it has a nib, it has a refill. Its color is orange, its cap color is orange and white. Its company is Sonic Event. Its size is comfortable, its design is wonderful, its price is only 10 rupees. It made a plastic. I have a bought from market. I written with it. I keep it in my bag, I keep it in my compass. um, I like my pen very much. I like to take care of them. I like to take care of my pen. Um, it is a gifted from my father. It is very important for all students. I love my pen. That's all about my pen. Thank you.